Your problem is say you don't know say updates they cast for Nigeria. And another one be say you dey delay too much. Listen, we know say all these things na scam, we know say na Ponzi scheme, but the fact be say e dey pay the first set of people wey try am. You don't know anything, you think say you know something, but you don't really know anything. Person wey no book na person wey pass exam. No be person wey be say they answer question for class but they fail exam. A lot of platforms have come, they have gone. It don't hurt some people and it's made a lot of people millions. See, I was like that before until I understood this. A lot of them come to my DM for promotion, make I post them. I don't do that. But until I understood that this thing really works, it dey make people millionaire. And the first one I tried, before he cast, I cash out big time. Alright, so the earlier you begin to understand this, the better for you. See Alexia, he go cast, but people don't cash out. Me, I no quick know that one. And they no send me DM for post, so I no do am. You understand? But I know say this time now not too good to run am. If you run am now, if you still favor you, if you no still favor you, so it's not a very good time now. Alright, so the fact is the earlier the better. Now, there is something I want to do as a family. There is a platform I just made research about. Nobody paid me for this, but I just saw it and I have taken part of it. Now, I want to bring the information to you as a family. If you feel say you get sense too much, no wahala, still go. Wait, you go see the complaint na scam. People go still cash out before e go hurt the last people. Maybe you go come join the last after you don't understand, when you don't hear how many millions where people don't cash out. Now this platform, wetin make I dey talk about them be say I just go make research for them because you say them they registered. Listen, no, you no be guarantee say something no go happen later, but at least alright, now this is what the platform promises to do. They promise say they go dey pay you for watching videos. Alright, see, the main way social media pays people is for views. Now, you as a small content creator, you come to TikTok, you watch videos and no one pays you. This platform is going to be paying you for watching this video as much as 2,200 naira. And if you join them with the bigger package, they'll pay you as much as 3,000 something to watch a video. And in a day, you can watch up to 4, 5 videos. Alright, and every day you make a click, you log in, you make like 350 naira. Some other package, you make like 1,000 something. Now, all these things are real. It will happen. It will favor the early birds. And that's why I'm bringing it to you now as a family. If you know say this country situation they hurt you, no they sit down on updates like this, what you guys should do that to grab them with 2 hands. Alright, the registration is not free, but all this registration no they pass 5,000, 4,000, 3,000, 10,000. You know reach how much where you did waste for Nigeria here. You know reach the software where you don't pass through. You know go kill you. 5,000 naira risk no go kill you. Alright, and the platform is called Veritas. If you're interested in making money from watching videos, the time where they spend on TikTok here, and you want to become the first set of people who go cash out from this platform when they launch this month. Now, sorry to cut in, please. If you have not subscribed to this channel, this is Solo Communications. Here we tell you different ways you can make money online live, and we also teach you different skills that can help you make money online with your smartphone from the comfort of your home, including affiliate marketing, digital marketing, content creation, and the rest of them. And we test out websites that promises to pay you and drop honest reviews and tell you if to go in or not, and as well as give you the best strategies to go into it and make a whole lot of money out of it. All right, so this is an honest fact about this platform that is called Veritas. After all, we checked and found out that they are registered with CAC, all right, and a lot of content creators are promoting them as if they are the best. But the truth is that anything can still happen. That is what I'm just trying to say. They are registered with CAC, and just watching video is one of the ways, or one of the numerous ways you can actually make money from the platform. All right, so I'm just trying to be very honest to avoid making promises that might end up being thwarted. But the fact is that I'm not just being optimistic. I'm very sure you are going to make a whole lot of money from it, but you need to start early. It is not like it is a total scam, but the fact is that we have been seeing this type of thing. They appear to be real, but at the end of the day, they end up crashing over a period of time. But out of experience, we discovered that the earlier the better, and this platform is still very new, yet to launch by month end, and this is the best time to go into it now. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do, because this is where you get the most honest truth about making money online. As it dey hot, now they cash out, and we no care if you pay person will get the platform or not. Wetin I want now your protection. Let's continue. I promise you, no one paid me for this. Veritas did not pay me. They don't even know say I did. All right, but I'm just doing it because I want to let you know. I don't want to enjoy it alone because I know say it will happen. All right, so if you're interested in this, please first of all follow me, because I'm going to be dropping more and more updates on this as it happen. A lot of people are joining and now a lot of people are killing. Nobody won't delay. Alexia has made my friend close to 3 million naira from Alexia, and we get the update quick for runner. The only thing why they do is say all these platforms they come to me and they repost them. Me, I sure say this one he go pay, but eventually if it hurts the last people. All right, then first of all follow me, and then come to the comment section and comment interested. When you are commenting interested, it's so that I will know you are really interested, and then TikTok can now push it to more people. Then click on the link on my bio and meet me on WhatsApp. That is where I'm going to be creating a group where I will make a comprehensive video and tell you everything you need to know about this thing. For free, I will tell you, I volunteer to tell you everything, every information you need to know about this. And I'm going to be telling you how you'll be cashing out, the secrets, the strategy we are going to be using to cash out from this platform big time before he cast. If he won't cast, I'm not saying no cast, make a no spoil person business. But if he casts, no wahala, by then we go down cash out. So if you're interested, what you have to do is to click on the link on my bio to meet me on WhatsApp. I'll just comment Veritas on my WhatsApp. I don't want long talk, and I will add you to the group. We are going to be telling you everything. All right, then share this video. If you get good heart, you know say I did try for this my account, for this my page. Please share this video. You know go bad. You know give me call. You know share my videos yet. I dey struggle to give you updates. I'm Solomon Choose from Solo Communications. I don't do the one I want to. People wey get sense too much still sit down. They call them scam. No wahala, scam. Na scam. Na who pass exam? No boo. I sign out.